job.
I don't know how to write yellow.
Then you would write big Y, little y,
Okay.
under the genotype.
Big Y. Little Y.
Very good. All right. So then you would make your baby minion.
Okay.
I'll let you do it there. So let's revisit our objective. Let's revisit our objective. We would be able to determine the phenotypes of an offspring using the genetic information of its parents. How did we gather the information of the parents? What did we use? We used a Punnett square.
What? Punnett square.
Punnett square.
It's like punish. Punish. Like you're punishing someone.
All right. Punnett square. All right. So that is how we put the information from both parents together to kind of see, to create a percentage of what the offspring might look like. Now, does that mean because here we have 50-50, does that mean that the baby has to have glasses? No.
No. You can't just make them just have glasses. You can't make them have glasses.
You can't just make them have that. So this kind of information is to give you an idea of what an offspring might look like.
And?
Yes?
And you can't force them to wear glasses.
You cannot force them to wear glasses. We learned that.
You can't do anything to make them do glasses or anything.
That's right.
If they don't want to.
Right, and that's where science comes in, and that's where genetic variation comes in. That's what we were learning about today. That's why these percentages are important. So genetic variation is what gives offspring their different looks. Each parent has a set of alleles that they pass to their offspring, and this just gives us an idea of what might come. And that's what we're trying to do here, and that's the object of creating our baby. But just because you picked glasses doesn't mean this baby's going to have glasses. And just because you picked that he has one eye doesn't mean he's going to have one eye. Or brown hair versus blonde hair. You don't know until the baby's born, but that's what we're trying to figure out. Okay, so were we able to determine the phenotypes of the baby using the information that we have?
Yes.
Yes. And how did we use that? How did we find that out?
Genotypes.
Ah, high five. It's like you were listening this whole time. All right. Thank you. Very good. Now, do you have any other questions? No. All right. So carry on fixing your baby minion. Make your baby minion.